Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of social media and exploring how to create effective social media posts. In this video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips and strategies that will help you stand out, engage your audience, and drive more traffic to your profiles. So, let us get started. 1. Know your audience. The first step in creating effective social media posts is understanding your audience. Take the time to research and analyze your target audience's preferences, demographics, and interests. This knowledge will help you tailor your content to their needs and wants. Remember, the more you know about your audience, the better you can connect with them. 2. Define your goals. Before creating any social media post, it is essential to define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your content? Is it to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or generate leads? Clearly outlining your objectives will give your posts a sense of purpose and direction, making them more effective. Craft engaging captions. Captions play a crucial role in capturing your audience's attention. Make sure your captions are concise yet engaging. Use a conversational tone, ask questions, or share interesting facts to encourage interaction. And don't forget to include relevant hashtags to expand your reach and connect with a broader audience. Use eye-catching visuals. Visuals are incredibly powerful in grabbing attention on social media platforms. When creating your posts, make sure to use high-quality and eye-catching visuals such as images, videos, or infographics. These visuals should be relevant to your content and visually appealing, compelling your audience to stop scrolling and engage with your post. Incorporate call to actions. A call to action (CTA) is an essential element of an effective social media post. It prompts your audience to take action, whether it is liking, commenting, sharing, or visiting your website. Be clear and direct in your CTAs, guiding your audience on what you want them to do. Remember, a well-placed CTA can significantly increase engagement on your posts. Optimize posting times. Timing is key when it comes to social media posts. Take advantage of analytics tools to identify the best times to reach your target audience. This can vary depending on the platform and your specific audience. Experiment with different posting times and track the engagement levels to find the optimal posting schedule for your content. Engage and respond to comments. Social media is all about creating a conversation and building relationships. Make it a habit to respond to comments on your posts. Engage with your audience by asking follow-up questions, thanking them for their feedback, or providing additional information. This shows that you value their input and encourages further engagement. Analyze and iterate. Finally, analyze the performance of your social media posts using built-in analytics tools or third-party applications. Pay attention to engagement metrics, reach, and conversions. Based on the data, iterate and improve your content strategy continuously. And there you have it, our tips for creating effective social media posts. By understanding your audience, setting clear goals, crafting engaging captions, using eye-catching visuals, incorporating CTAs, optimizing posting times, engaging with your audience, and analyzing your results, you'll be well on your way to creating a strong social media presence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.